Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a disability rights activist, and today I'm introducing the 6 partners from 4 European countries collaborating on Activate, a project which is co-funded by Erasmus+. Leading the project is Malta's Directorate for Disability Issues, also known as DDI, within the Ministry for Inclusion, and which will be handling project management and coordination. KU Leuven, Belgium's largest university, is overseeing research and needs assessment and studying how to empower autistic youths as self-advocates. ImpactSci, a Portuguese organization that specializes in digital educational tools, is going to develop the advocacy school curriculum. The European Council of Autistic People, also known as UCAP, an umbrella organization